Hey everyone, Mr.III here. So I'm going to show you how to get this off of this, just like that. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and let's do it. Also, this is a video for you to learn how to take one of these off and not go out and shoplift. So long story short, I bought 2 pairs of shoes from Kohl's and they came with these security pins. I tried a few methods to take it off. I did the bag method that you just wrap it around. I even tried the stupid one of using a condom and just going around that thing. That just made it actually a worse situation. That thing didn't work. I know some people said the rubber band and, using a hammer and hitting it or even sticking in the freezer, that type of stuff. Yeah, those methods won't work for this. And also, you got to remember, you may actually even then damage your product, whatever you bought, like if it was shoes, dress, whatever, you're gonna actually make your hole even bigger. So with this method, all you need is just a magnet. And this is the magnet I have. And it's the one that you can just put on your door, hang a wreath, and that type of stuff. So it's made for possibly 9 pounds holding. I'm not sure if it's a 25 pound, if it's from the ceiling, but yeah, that's the type of magnet. I'll put a few links down below because this one I think we bought from Lowe's and it was roughly maybe like $7. So go look around the hardware store or order from Amazon. Try to find a stronger magnet that's not the one that you typically have on your fridge, since I tried a few of those and it just didn't have the strength. All right, so the way I came to this conclusion was I actually took a Dremel and started cutting it up. Here's the footage. As you can see, I had eye protection and I did this inside the house since it was cold in the garage. It's currently November. Some sparks came off because I actually did cut the top of the pin, but we did officially get it open and figure out how this thing actually ticks. All right, so I have my GoPro set up over here so you can get a closer look at what actually is happening. So as you can see, we do have a resistor right here. So that's actually what sets off that alarm when you go through the doors. Then there is a little spring that pops up. Whoop, and I just lifted out everything else. But yeah, that spring keeps that distance and tension so this part actually stays down. And I do have the pin currently inside there. Like I said, I did cut it off by accident, so the tip is shorter. And let me pull out this. So there's a little plastic cup that's holding everything else, and then also a metal cup. So let me get that off to the side. All right, so inside here, we actually have 3 balls. And the way how that all, whoops, don't want to spill them all out. Let me get it reset in place here. All right, so we have the 3 balls inside there, and I'm going to place that cup back right on top of it. Perfect. So it's like little ball bearings. So when that pin actually goes through, there we go, and then you try to pull it out, those balls are actually holding it in place. So when it gets lifted, whoops, just a little bit like that, but when it comes out, it releases. So the magnet is actually just going to pull that up and then release that pin. So I'm going to put another demonstration here with the shoe. You do have to apply a little force or tension. All right, so I have my shoe, the pin is through. Going to clock that there. There you go, you can see I'm not playing any tricks. It's not releasing right here. Then I'm going to just take my magnet, I'm going to take it over that top piece right there, and then I'm just going to work it out. And as we can see, whoops, if I'm not sliding too much, probably from our GoPro footage, we have a better showing of that separation of that pin. And I'm just going back and forward slowly here. And now I actually think I'm probably at the point that I could actually even just pull this off. Let's see. Yep, just wiggle like that, popped off. So it's just that simple. Get yourself a magnet. Like I said, this one I have for the front door for the seasonal wreaths that you put out. Links are down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. But if you get in this type of situation and need to get one of these security pins off your shoes, dress, or whatever, this is the best way to take it off, or just go back to the store. But I was a little lazy and I wanted to see how this thing actually ticked or made it work to see if I can actually help you all save that trip from going to the store. Alrighty, so that's all I have to share with you. Mr. 3 out.